Report to your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise. Resistance members, report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun.
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in. There is the assistant, and there is the infobot. Whew, masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
It's okay. See? Just me.
Rivet?
Shh. Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should...
Thank you.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Right.
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank! I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Clark, will be your host.
With me, Skid Mars. And Rusty Pete.
Wow! Haven't seen these guys in ages.
Give it up for our heroes! Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me! And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet!
Oh dear, must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
It all started on planet Velma, with Ratchet, a restless tinkerer, up for adventure. That night, Clank's ship came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the defective warbomb, and the rest is intergalactic history. The crowd goes wild! And now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade. forget the Blarg invasion of Kerwar. Show the crowd some of those world-class sharp-shooting skills. Well, once he grabs some ammo, of course.
I think I found the wombat!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of? You got a sweet bounty on your head, wombat!
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Whoa! Yep! Real bullets!
These guys!
Go clear, but you gotta love a surprise!
Someone put a bounty on us?
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Oh dear, activating Magna Boots!
Let's keep this show going. Catch a ride.
So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the Blargs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or... oh, Dr. Nefarious.
Ha, no way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
And now, our heroes traverse this hench...
Welcome to the outdoors. Watch out for swashbuckling marauders.
Robobots!
Oh, really brings you back is the enemy. Now, ye must walk the dangerous plank of doom.
There, we can glide over.
The mysteries of the great.
I see more of those goons down there. We better get moving before anyone gets hurt.
Prepared for this one.
More goons incoming.
We bounty cat.
Take out that dropship and end this! A little rusty, but not too bad.
Are they Yawn? Oh. And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Yo, pal, What? Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
To get the Dimensionator out.
Yes, and quickly.
We have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious.
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Turn yourself in, Lombax!
You're still here? Of course you are! Why wouldn't you be?
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
Boom! That... Say, you know what is better than watching explosives? Throwing them with your bare freaking hands! Pull the... Boom! That is the sound of pure power! And...
Excellent choice.
More goons! Incoming! the Dimensionator, Nefarious!
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye! Hey! What did you do?
Whoa! What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Did you see that?
That was rather exciting.
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
Whoa! Watch your head!
This is worse than I had imagined. Sand sharks from above.
Was that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Nefarious' ship! We've gotta find a way up there!
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey, when did you rebuild the Dimensionator?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow, that's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?
Yes. Mad respect for hiring us. We're gonna need like a boat. That shotgun! Yo, come on back!
Our ride's here. Next stop, Nefarious.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
Nefarious is in way over his head.
What is that?
Whoa! Hey!
Mrs. Zircon has many fine options for you.
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
quickly. We cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
Ah! Did that hurt? Good!
Nefarious.
Rather painful. Toads are so unpleasant. His defenses are weakening. Oh dear, he is targeting us. Amoeboids. Where did Nefarious find these?
Today my ultimate plan will come to fruition. Purpose destroyed, and nothing will stop me.
How many times have we heard that?
Probably around 80. No, it doesn't matter. Today will be the last time. You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
Whoa!
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
How bad is it?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Great!
Where are we?
Beats me.
To the depths! How many arms you got?
Boy?
We've been boarded! Get off me, ship, foul creature! Did I do it? Oh, what is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the...
Ratchet, the Dimensionator. Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator, what have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Yeah. Wait, I have to find my friend.
Hi? It's me? It's me! It worked! It worked! I am the winner!
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes, Emperor!
Clank? Clank? A Lombax? What is this place? Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him. Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Sorry, all the charming robots I know have
Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Sorry, all the charming robots I know have blue eyes.
Let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Hey, Lombax!
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? No. The Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like? That sounds like a club, all right. Phantom? Is there a Phantom around here? You wouldn't be the...
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Can't believe! First mission in forever and my cover's blown!
Phantom? Is Skid? Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too! Had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? Had to be Phantom! Phantom! Wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle.
Phantom! Wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names! You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the Resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance? Phantom! Wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names! You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the Resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Preparing to fire.
You should not be armed.
You are going to love this.
Should have seen that coming. There has to be something around here I can use to reach Phantom.
of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you.
No names. Gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the resistance?
There! The resistance! We from the club!
Despite your inevitable demise, it's going to be so exciting!
I will take the shot now! Stay back, squishy!
There has to be something around here I can use to reach Phantom. Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait!
There he is!
Hey!
From the club!
Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
Another resistance number! I will make the Emperor proud today! Resistance end here!
Now, where'd you
Nice
go?
work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't catch what doesn't temporarily. Jump and Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest. Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along the... Come on! Wall's not gonna bite. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash. You're a natural.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh! It's not safe here. Stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I